guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because it's going to be my first time ever doing a photo editing tutorial. As you can see from the title, the tutorial is going to be on how to put on falsies after you've taken the photo. The reason why I decided to do this video is because there's a couple of pictures on my Instagram where I look like I'm wearing false lashes, and a lot of people have asked me where my false lashes are from, but in reality they're not false lashes. I actually use this app to edit my lashes onto the photo afterwards. For those of you who are thinking, oh my god, that is so unnatural, or like you were tricking us all or whatever, I feel like that was kind of why I didn't really want to do a tutorial on it earlier. But now that I think about it, what is the difference between wearing false lashes before your photo compared to editing them on afterwards? I don't know, they're both false. So I feel like if you're watching this video wondering, are you tricking your followers or something like that, I'm gonna go ahead and say no, because unless if you're already someone who wears absolutely no makeup, then I feel like you're kind of good. So anyway, let's get started on the video editing process. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to my phone and I'm gonna start recording. 3, 2, 1, now. Okay. Oh my god, this is so creepy because I just feel like I'm exposing myself on my phone screen. So as you can see from my phone screen, I have a lot of red notifications. I know this bugs a lot of people, but another thing that I want to point out is I've started to color code my apps, and it's been helping me a lot to quickly find my app. I used to do it by category and I could always never find my apps because then I would be like, okay, where's that category? Ever since I started switching it to color coordination, it's been really good. So anyway, to get started, the app that I use to edit my eyelashes is called Photo Wonder. So I'm just gonna go into my purple and pink tab. It's this one in the top right hand corner. The ad is gonna pop up and obviously we're gonna exit because ain't nobody got money to pay for a full version. Okay, so my photos are loading right now. I'm using my most recent photo as an example. So the photo that's just popped up here, this is actually a photo that I took and didn't have falsies on while taking this picture. So as you can see, my eyes, there's just kind of my natural lashes, but I have basically no lashes, so that's why you can't see anything, and that's why this app is gonna help. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the beautify option, and then there's gonna be a bunch of options that pop up. I won't go through all the tabs of this photo app, but there's so many different tricks that you can use in this app. You can literally make your face skinnier, you can make yourself look taller, just, I don't know, this is crazy. But the one I use is for lashes, and so it's actually to the very right under makeup. Once you click makeup, you're just gonna swipe to the very right again once it loads. So right here, and then it'll say eyelash. So you click on that, and there's a bunch of different lashes that you can choose from, but the one that I like to use is the third one from the right hand side. Once you click on that, a box pops up, and essentially this is where you can enlarge your eyelashes, so you can make it bigger, but I like to just kind of go along the lines of my eyes. And then on the right hand side, I just increase kind of the color of it. I don't like to go up all the way just because, like, depending on what the photo looks like, it might not actually look natural. So depending on what it is, like the lighter you go, the more natural it could look. So I like to kind of end up around this area, and then I just like to reline my lashes just to make sure that they're even. So I think that looks kind of even. Then I move on to the other eye. So the good thing is that the color, you can actually correct it independently. Like when you increase the color, it doesn't increase for both eyes, it just does it for one, which is really good because if you can see in this picture, my eyes aren't like dead straight, and it's also kind of covered by my hair. I like to do the same thing, just kind of line it up first, but I don't want the ends of it to look unnatural because I have my hair there, which obviously is supposed to go over top of your eyelash. I would kind of just like leave it not as high, so around there, just because you want it to look a little bit more natural. If it's like super opaque black and it's going on top of your hair, that just does not look realistic. The reason why I use the third one from the last is because some of the other ones at the bottom, if you can see, it comes with the bottom lashes, and I just find that a lot of the times the measurements for these are not completely accurate to what your eye shape is, which is why it's just a lot better to do only the top lash, especially depending on what the picture is. If it's not lining up with their measurements and stuff, it's a lot better to just do the one lash. There you have it. So that's pretty much done. You click the check mark at the top, and then you click save. And there you go. I know this video is super quick and no one is used to it because neither am I, but that's just my really quick and easy tutorial on how I add my eyelashes onto my eyes afterwards. And honestly, I haven't really had a complaint about how unnatural it looks. Maybe people are thinking it and just being nice and not commenting, but for the most part, it doesn't look super unnatural, which is what I like. But if you guys think that these are fake, please let me know. Most of the comments I usually get is actually just asking what falsies I use. But anyway, please try it out and let me know what you guys think. I hope you really enjoyed this first ever tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Most of the comments that I usually get, oh my god, I just spat.